Design is a human-centered field, and it's a human-centered discipline. So I think it can help people in a sense that when we build a product, we think about how it can help people and how it can make their lives better or easier, or how they can learn better through using this new tool or this new feature that we're designing. It's about communicating a message visually. It's about understanding who you're designing for. When you're working, like me, I'm working in digital experience design, so designing digital products like apps, like wearables, websites. I also do service design. It's a lot about understanding who you're designing for, making sure the features you're designing are useful. We've started to work with the Service Innovation and Performance branch at the City of Edmonton. We've started to look at what kind of projects we could do with students and what kind of partnerships or collaboration we could do with the city, and they suggested ETS. It was about discussing some safety issues that they're going through sometimes when they take the bus, when they take the LRT. Then it was about trying to find solutions for students, but also for just the general public. It's about thinking about a system, about an ecosystem of various products, of various interactions, and how do you design this system? How do you design this experience so it's relevant, so it's seamless for the users. Students, they do, it's called user research. So then they did interviews with people that are using public transportation. Some things were not kind of drastic safety issues, but just issues of cleanliness, for example, that kind of that plays into the overall feeling of safety. When you work on safety, there's the actual safety and there's the perception of safety as well. And sometimes they're not necessarily aligned. Students had a solution in mind, they had a product in mind, they had a new service or improvement on a service in mind. They did what's called user testing. They went on the LRT, they went in the buses, and they tested their new product or their new service themselves. There were lots of issues with cleanliness, having a lack of information when you are at a bus stop or when you're trying to find the LRT, the wayfinding. It's linked to safety in a way, because when you don't know exactly where you're going or when your bus is coming and it's late at night, then these kind of come with some safety issues. They've identified many things. We all learned they can't solve everything. And, you know, a new product or a new service won't change, you know, everything overnight. There are things that are out of scope for students.